Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a landing page within Carrd for free. So once you are in your dashboard and you want to add a site, there are a lot of templates you can choose from. So first of all, you can select a blank canvas if you want to, but I recommend you to go to landing right here. So tap on this landing right here. So we see all the landing templates. So there are a lot of pro templates. You can use the link in my description down below to use Carrd Pro for a discounted version. Alright, so I'm selecting now a template without a pro, without a paid plan. Alright, so let's select, let me see, this one for example, and you can see a demo version of this site. So tap on demo, and as you see, this is the demo version. Of course, you can change this, but you also can tap on select right here. Alright, and now this we can edit the site. So for example, you can change this text. For example, hi, please subscribe. Alright, something like this, and this can be your landing page. Right, and you can change this text. For example, subscribe if you read this, and then tap on done. And of course, you can make this bold. For example, you can take a look at those things. So you can see a lot of options that are available. So like bold text like this, or italic or bold italic, etc. So let's make this bold, for example, just like this, and then tap on done. And as you see, this text is bold right now. All right. So this is again text. So you can type, for example, click here to subscribe. Alright, tap on done, and you can change this button. So you can change the text, for example, to click here, and you can change the icon, for example, to let's say down, for example. It's a bit weird, but yeah, just as an example. And you can change a lot. You can change the URL, so you can change it to a section, to a scroll point, to a email site, etc. Any link that you would like. You can give it a color on click. You can add animations. It's the options are literally endless with Carrd, and that is so nice. You can change, of course, all the icons. You also can, of course, add elements within Carrd, within a template, and you can change the background by tapping on the background right there. Right, so tap on this, and as you see, background, and now you can change the colors, for example. So let's make it yellowish, and this one as well. And you can change this from gradient to color, for example. You can change the pattern to confetti. You can genuinely change nearly everything. It's insane. So once you're satisfied with your website, you can add images, of course, dividers, controls, containers, etc., etc., etc. But once you're satisfied and took a look at the mobile version, because it of course needs to be responsive on both mobile as well as on PC, then you can publish your website, right? So tap on this publish thing, give your website a title, for example, test website. You can always change this, and a description. This is my test website. All right, and then give it a name. So do you want your URL to be? You can always also change the domain. But if you want a pro domain like this one, for example, you need to of course, have a pro plan. You can again use the link in my description below for a discounted version. Right, so let's, for example, give this a name. This is my test site, for example, and let's see if it's available. Yes, it is, and then tap on publish. We do need to finish this, or because it's an unedited element, so you of course need to change that. I'm not doing it right now, but you need to do that, and then again tap on publish, and then it should work. You always can change this text and this URL for later on. But yeah, I hope this video was kind of helpful. If so, please let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.